IFS Global Markets Food, your roadmap to an effective food safety management system. Mr. Navarro runs a small bakery and has a new customer. A supermarket wants him to supply baked goods to sell as regional specialties, but only if his bakery produces safe food and is able to prove it. Mr. Navarro is a master of his trade, but modern industrial standards are not something he knows much about. No problem. IFS Global Markets Food is perfect for him. This does not overwhelm Mr. Navarro, but allows him to develop his food safety management system with the appropriate processes gradually and to demonstrate it. The level to be reached by what dates are agreed together with his trading partner. The original Global Markets catalog of requirements was developed by a team of international experts. Many trade partners accept the program as a starting point for approving suppliers, so Mr. Navarro will also find it useful for other customers in the future. Great, let's get started. First, Mr. Navarro attends a training course given by the IFS Academy, where he learns how the IFS Global Markets Food Program is structured. The basic and the intermediate levels each contain requirements regarding food safety management systems, good manufacturing practices, and control of food hazards. Meeting these requirements within a defined timeline will enable him to set up an effective food safety management system in his company. The requirements cover, for example, personal hygiene, waste management, cleaning and disinfection, as well as traceability. If all goes well, the next step for Mr. Navarro can be the full IFS food certification. Back at his shop, he implements the requirements, such as traceability and pest control. A certification body of his choice then sends an assessor to conduct a preliminary assessment. She finds that the documentation on Mr. Navarro's implementations is not quite complete. The assessor helps Mr. Navarro by elaborating and explaining the requirements so his business can implement the missing items. Finally, the assessment is conducted, and Mr. Navarro passes. Now he can supply his customer. And not only that, the master baker also receives an extensive assessment report that highlights potential improvements in his business and includes a corrective action plan to achieve these goals. Mr. Navarro is pleased. He can use the results of the assessment to gain further retailers as partners, and because he is added to the IFS database, interested customers are automatically informed of his development status, at no extra effort on his part. Mr. Navarro now sets out to implement additional requirements so he can pass at a higher level next year. In the long term, he aims to reach the IFS Food Standard, so he can meet not only food safety requirements, but also customer specifications. You too can use IFS Global Markets Food to start developing a demonstrably effective food safety management system. For more information, please visit www.ifs-certification.com.